All right, 2007 LR3 that just refuses to die. So, been an awesome vehicle for me, and I'm gonna keep this thing until it completely just blows up. These cup holders suck. This is a pretty common problem on these, where cup holders just give out and then they won't retract. So finished picking one up off of eBay, and gonna take this out and try to put in the new one really quick here. So let's see how this goes. Probably just gonna try grabbing from the side here. Another thing, usually when I record, I put the little pod on my hat mount, but I noticed that when I do that, it's real jittery. I tend to move my head a lot, so it's kind of like herky-jerky on the video. So trying to put it on my chest for this video, just to see if that's a little better and more stable. So I'm grabbing here. Let's see if we can pull this. There goes out. On the bottom, bam. All right, there it is. Grab the new one. All right, so here's the old one, and this is actually the second one I bought. I bought another one off of eBay, and this part was broken on it. Kind of a bummer. It didn't say that in the description when I bought it, so that kind of sucked. There goes. Here's the new one. This guy did a really good job. He cleaned it up really well compared to my freaking the one I just yanked out. This one's pristine. Only thing is there's a few scratches, kind of hard to see, but right in here. But cool. Just gonna push this back in and should be good. Don't do that. There it is, and it works. See how long it takes for that thing to break. Next thing I'm gonna do on this thing is my dashboard's cracked really bad, so let's see if I can give you guys a view of it. Actually, this isn't going to be mine much longer. Probably going to be giving it to my daughter when she starts to drive. She ain't getting a new car. There you go. And then to fix this, simple remedy, I'm just going to put a dash mat on it, call it good. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you guys can. Appreciate it, man. Thanks.